Okay, I just want to make a quick video for reference so Ryan and Tim were all on the same page here. So here is the end of Tim's liner that we have already installed in the past, a couple years ago or so. The liner comes out. This is right about the fence property line there. Goes into this section, and on the top part of the screen, top right kind of angle of the pipe, you can see kind of a half moon shape. That is where Ryan's downspout lines tie in. So just past the end of the liner, about, I don't know, a foot, couple of feet. Let's see, we'll zero it out, but so about a foot and a half past the end of our liners where Ryan's line ties in. So technically this all is a shared portion of the line. So this should be at a shared cost, as that downspout is using this line and it's a neighboring house. Shared cost all the way through here. So we would dig up that spot where the Ryan's line ties in and then bring it all the way down, send the liner down to right here, which is where Ryan's main sewer comes into the pipe. So that's going to be the plan. We've got about 20 some odd feet of liner that we'd install, plus doing the small dig. It would all come basically at shared cost at both of you guys. So I'm going to end the video there, and we can discuss, and I send the proposal over. And again, there is the end of Tim's liner, and then this is where it becomes shared, about a foot into it. So ending the video there. I'll get this over to you guys with the proposal.